Where are you? Where am I? You are the Lord of the sacred hall. I am a beggar, humble and small. Your virtues shine while I merely sigh. Where are you? And where am I? To Kuja, man Kuja. You are the shower of grace and light. I am the shadow lost in the night. You are the bounty, I am the plea. An endless ocean, a drop in the sea. Wrapped in the shroud of a heavenly glow, I wear the prayers that the humble bestow. Where are you? And where am I? Of the sky, my every breath is a struggle, a pain, but your mercy falls like the softening rain. Where are you? And where am I? Vessel, empty and bone. You are the King on a merciful throne. You are the truth and I am a dream. I am the thirst and you are the stream. My home is the dust, the ground at my feet, while your path is where the heavens all meet. Where are you? And where am I? When the world leaves me broken and low, the thought of you gives me somewhere to go. In the shade of the lattice's tears start to fall, as the language of weeping answers your call. Blessed is the heart that belongs to your name. To be of your people is my only claim. Where are you? And where am I? To Kuja, man Kuja.